In this video, I am going to show exactly how to make carousels for Instagram. So stay till the end to watch it. Hey, I am Amron Silva, and if you are new here, consider subscribing because I make videos around social media marketing, everything about it from tips to strategies. Let's dive in. Open Canva. So this is the only app I use to design carousels, logos, almost everything. So go click the plus button. This is the Instagram post size. So I start with giving it a nice background. I put a gradient behind it. So my color theme is green and black. Done. After that, I add my username. Add it here. Then after that, I copy these pages, at least three, and then start making the post. Done. Then choose, and here you will get a lot of fonts to use. So I'll go with Anton. You can edit the spacing and all. So like this. This is much better. Here the other part of the carousel. Then I align them. Done. Make them bold. And after you can add as many pages you want. At the end you must post about you, like add about you. Here I'll add one frame. There's an option for frame. Click on it. Add the circular one to put your face. Then choose an image to add it. Then add and call to action. This is very important. Done. There you have it. This is the basic design I have done. This is the simplest one I can do, as we have limited time, so I got to show you as much as possible. So this is the way you do it. You can add a lot of things. If you want more things, like add an human, maybe anything, just type over here and you will get a lot of, see, like these are the png type images. So this is how you make carousels. Then it will take some time, and done. There you have it. This was it. This was the simplest design I made, just to show you all how it's done. So if you want me to do another video, part 2 of it, like I use all the human characters and all, like the robust design, or what you call the advanced design, comment down below. I'll definitely make a video. Subscribe for more social media marketing tips, tricks and strategies. Thanks for watching.